Hi guys, today we'd like to present you our new machine which is automated duster, which can be used for the carpet tiles, for the entrance mats and for different other things, but mainly we dedicate our offer to the companies, cleaning companies dealing with the carpet tiles and the entrance mats. So this is the duster. Inside it there is a system which provides the vibration to eliminate all the dry dirt from the tiles and from the entrance mats, to eliminate the dust, sand, hair, bad hair. So as you can see, all these carpet tiles and entrance mats, they have a lot of sand, they have different type of dirt, so all have to be eliminated, and for it we need to use the vibration, and there is also a brush, combing brush, just to eliminate everything from the surface of the tiles and from the entrance mats. So right now I'm going to show you how it works, just for you to see the effect. So it's very simple to operate the machine. We just need to switch it on. It's one phase, 220 volts, so it doesn't need any three-phase or whatever. So we just switch on the machine, press the start button, the machine is on. We take the tile upside down. Coming off the other side or the back side of the machine, and finally it looks like this. It's very perfect. This is very important to eliminate all the dry dirt before you proceed to the main cleaning of these tiles. The same with the entrance mats, because if you have sand inside, if you have hair, if you have pet hair, the final effect won't be good. And so that's why it is very important to make the dusting before the main cleaning. Okay, so the same with the entrance mat. So right now I'm going to show you the effect of the cleaning of the entrance mat. And right now I can show you the effect of cleaning of such entrance mat. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. So upside down, the same. Inside, what is going on inside after dusting. Oh, wow. It was very dirty, and right now clean. So after it will proceed to main cleaning, and the effect would be amazing. Thank you guys for watching us.